GRT at the time of this recording is breaking out after we continued to hold within our key area of support between the $0.1696 and the $0.146 in a move that has now given us a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart and a break above our key area of resistance above the $0.1882. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We started a very impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked above the $0.2117, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of these Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.17 and the $0.1465, an area that we almost fully maximized. And you can all see that we are now seeing a reaction of that target area in what I now believe is the start of an impulse to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $0.2995. Then we can expect a pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5, possibly taking us back above the $0.4 in the next coming hours. So in the next coming hours, all I'm watching is for a break above the high that we made in this wave 1, above the 0.2109. The moment we manage to break above that significant high, then I will be expecting to see GRT get even more impulsive to the upside to fully maximize our minimum target areas. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term, and in case of any sudden pullbacks, we need to see GRT holding above our key area of support above the 0.1882, because if by any chance we lose that key area of support over there, then I will be expecting for a sell-off into this red target area to fully maximize the target area before we can maybe get another bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. On the long term, I believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulse to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.4947, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming days or maybe weeks we are going to start another impulse to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, we also need to see GRT holding above the Fib level 0.88, and that lies above the $0.1282. As long as we continue holding above that key area on the Fibonacci's, there are high chances that we are going to see this impulse to the upside in a wave 3. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, losing the Fib level 0.88, then I will be expecting to see a reset of the bear market lows, and that is the worst case scenario that can play out here on the GRT chart. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.